Mastery of time value of money. TVM concept empowers lawyers to interpret financial evidence, optimize settlements, and secure outcomes that reflect the true economic value of claims. This case study weaves together real-world litigation examples to illustrate all 12 foundational lessons in financial literacy for legal professionals. Case study overview. Argonaut Insurance Company v. May Plumbing Company, Flaw 1985, and related cases. This case study follows a commercial dispute, Argonaut Insurance Company v. May Plumbing Company, and integrates lessons from personal injury, class action, and contract litigation to demonstrate the practical application of TVM concepts across the legal curriculum. 1. Why lawyers need finance, the language of business. Scenario. In Argonaut, lawyers had to interpret complex financial records to determine damages and interest owed. Financial literacy enabled them to understand balance sheets, cash flows, and the impact of delayed payments on their clients' bottom line. Key insight. Lawyers who understand finance can spot inconsistencies, challenge expert testimony, and advocate more effectively for their clients. 2. Numbers don't lie. Reading financial reports as evidence. Legal teams in cases like Enron and WorldCom relied on scrutinizing balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports to establish the timing and amount of losses. These financial documents were crucial in uncovering fraud, as they revealed hidden liabilities, misstated profits, and liquidity issues that shaped the outcome of litigation and helped quantify damages. 3. The time value of money. Foundation concepts. Scenario. The court recognized that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. Plaintiffs sought prejudgment interest to compensate for the lost use of money, embodying the TVM principle. Simple interest versus compound interest in legal disputes. In legal cases like Argonaut, courts usually award simple interest, calculated only on the principal, as the default. Compound interest, which adds accrued interest to the principal before calculating new interest, is granted only if a contract or statute specifically permits it. Understanding this distinction is crucial for accurately quantifying damages and advocating for your client's best financial outcome. Future value. Projecting today's money forward. Scenario. Lawyers project the future value of current investments or damages, such as estimating the growth of a settlement fund or the cost of delayed payments. Discount rates. The Legal Practitioner's Guide. Selecting the right discount rate is crucial in legal practice. Courts often use U.S. Treasury rates as a risk-free benchmark, especially in personal injury cases, but may adjust for inflation or risk depending on the context. Annuity market rates are common for structured settlements, while a contractual rate applies if specified in the agreement. The chosen rate should reflect the true economic value, considering factors like inflation and risk to ensure fair present value calculations. Time value in litigation. Practical applications. Scenario. In KGM Harvesting Company v. Fresh Network, expert testimony and financial modeling were used to determine the period and amount for which interest should be awarded, applying TVM to real-world damages. Interest calculations in commercial agreements. Scenario. Contracts often specify interest on late payments. Courts enforce these provisions if they comply with statutory requirements, e.g., annualized rate, usury limits, as in Pacific Investment Company v. Townsend. Statutory interest versus contractual interest. If a contract specifies a compliant interest rate, courts apply it. If the contract is silent or non-compliant, statutory interest, often 5% per annum, applies by default. This ensures interest is awarded either by agreement or by law, but never above statutory limits. Time value in settlement negotiations. Scenario. In class actions and personal injury settlements, parties use present value calculations to compare lump sum and structured offers, ensuring fair and economically sound outcomes. In the Argonaut case, lawyers use financial evidence and TVM to calculate losses and interest on delayed payments. The court discounted damages to present value, ensuring fair compensation and a data-driven resolution that protected the client's economic interests.